Politics aside, it's actually a really exciting time to be a climate scientist. For the first time ever, we have the awareness, the technology, and the data to make substantial progress. But the needs are great, and solutions need to be grounded in good and collaborative science. Let me give you an example. Imagine you're driving from here to Maine, but the navigation app on your phone only updates every other day. And for each state that you travel through, you need a new app where different information derived from different satellites is presented in a totally different format. And there are multiple unseen hazards along your route. That's not far from what it's like to navigate a ship in the Arctic. The data that you get is days old, lacks the information that you need, and is entirely dependent upon which part of the Arctic you're in. As a result, most ships in the Arctic operate under the hope that they will avoid ice. They follow the same shipping routes that they followed for over 30 years. But the Arctic is changing more than anywhere else on Earth. Sea ice is not the same. Weather patterns are not the same. And sea ice and icebergs are moving in new and different locations. Meanwhile, the number of ships in the Arctic has more than doubled in the past decade. After the Titanic, we prioritized Arctic mapping and international collaboration. But that urgency quickly faded, and now we are decades behind where we need to be. Just 20 years ago, GPS signals were not publicly available. AI algorithms were in their infancy. As a grad student, I was lucky if I could get one satellite image a year of the glacier I was studying, and I had to pay $500 for it. Now, GPS is ubiquitous. For that same glacier, I can get an image every few hours for free, and AI tools have the capability of sifting through thousands of images to pull out pertinent information. It is an exciting time to be a climate scientist. But AI tools are not built for climate science, and their adaptation is clunky and inefficient. To find features in sea ice, we use AI tools built for biomedical imaging. And to track icebergs and fjords, we use tools built for surveillance. We need AI tools that are built for climate science. We need more people studying and talking about climate, and we need to work collaboratively with other Arctic nations to reduce emissions and build a resilient Arctic. Let's focus on using AI for good and prioritizing climate needs. The time is right. Thank you.